Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MFA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from and coming into play here. And overall, a boring day, but I mean that in a very healthy way, meaning, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but I'm sure some of you that have traded for a while, you've seen absolutely huge moves to the upside, and then within the next couple of days, the price just totally rolls back over, goes back to where it was. And that hasn't happened. Now, I'm not saying that that will never happen, but today was a very important day because you got to keep things in context. Going into the day, the chart was looking like that right there. A lot of downwards momentum, and at that point, it was a very real question of, is this kind of the beginning of the end? Is this thing just going to break down through $1.50 and go, right back to where it was? And we got our answer, no. It actually maintained and went sideways. Again, did it explode upwards and was it fireworks all day long? No, but at least it went sideways and maintained and went, in a healthy fashion, just staying up above that previous range. So on that note, $1.50 remains very important for the reason of, and I've kind of just touched on this, but if the price were to go to $1.50 and then continue on down, well, at that point, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it was, and not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true health or anything like that. But as of right now, the price is showing signs of progress, meaning you have this quote-unquote line of progress right there. You have that low right there, and if you envision those as stair-steps, well, there you go. You got stair-steps still progressing in the upwards direction. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still all about that trend line right there. So the main dynamic here was really twofold. Going into the day with that downwards momentum, it was a very rational question to be wondering whether or not this was the beginning of the end. But no, apparently, as of now, it's not. The price held up strong, not in an explosive movement kind of way, but held up strong in the sense of just went sideways and is still consolidating at a higher area. So let's see if the price can build upon that next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.